Hi students, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. So today we are going to start our third supplementary lesson, the story of Mulan. Okay, so here Mulan is the name of the character in this story. So this is the classic story of Mulan based on the legend of Hua Mulan. A legend is a story from long ago that is believed to be true or mostly true. Okay, so this is the classic story of Mulan. So classic, what is mean by classic means an outstanding or a famous story of Mulan. So as I said already, Mulan is the character based on the legend of Hua Mulan. Okay, so what is the meaning of legend is? Legend is a traditional story, sometimes popularly regarded as historical, but not authenticated. Okay, so legend means it is a traditional historical story which was popular in the past. Okay, but it is not authenticated. Authenticated means there is no proof for that, whether it is a fact or whether it is not a fact. அது ரியலா இல்லையா அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு எந்த ப்ரூஃபும் கிடையாது. It is not authenticated, right? But it is a traditional historical story which was famous. Okay, so a legend is a story from long ago that is believed to be true or mostly true. So a legend is a story from long ago, that is from the past, that is believed to be true or mostly true, that may be true or may not be true. That is the meaning of the legend. So this is the legend of Hua Mulan. Okay, right, now let us get into the story. Many years ago, China was in the middle of a great war. The emperor said that one man from each Chinese family must leave his family to join the army. Mulan, a teenage girl who lived in a faraway village of China, heard the news when she was outside washing clothes. Okay, so many years ago, China was in the middle of a great war. So before many years, China was in between the war. The emperor said, so all of you know what is the meaning of emperor, who is an emperor, right? So the emperor said that one man from each Chinese family must leave his family to join the army. So what is the command of the emperor is, one man from each Chinese family must leave his family. The emperor said that one man from each Chinese family must leave his family to join the army. Okay, so what is the command of the emperor is, one male person, one man from each Chinese family should come from his family to and join in the army. So this is the command of the emperor of China. Mulan, a teenage girl who lived in a faraway village of China, heard the news when she was outside washing clothes. Okay, so Mulan was a teenage girl. Okay, Mulan, a teenage girl who lived in a faraway village of China. So where Mulan was living is, she was living in a village which is far away from China. So she heard the news of the emperor when she was outside washing clothes. Okay, so when she was washing clothes, she heard the news of the emperor that one man from each family should come and join the army. So Mulan ran into the house. Her father was sitting in a chair carving a piece of wood. Father, she said, did you hear what the emperor says each family must do? Okay, so after hearing the news, immediately she is running inside her house. Her father was sitting in a chair. Okay, so Mulan's father was sitting in a chair carving a piece of wood. So what is mean by carving means, so it is the work of cutting a shape or pattern into wood or stone. Okay. So you might have seen wooden dolls, wooden pictures, statues, stones will be made into statues. Okay. அது என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அதை செதுக்குவாங்க இல்லையா, they will be carving, that is called as carve. Okay, so her father was sitting in a chair and what he is doing is he is carving a piece of wood. Father, she said, did you hear what the emperor says each family must do? So did you hear the news from the emperor? She is asking to her father. Yes, said her old father, I heard about it in town. Well, I may as well as go pack up. He put down his carving, stood up and walked very slowly to his room. Okay, so her father said, yes, I have heard the news of the emperor. I heard about it in town. So I heard the news in the town itself. Well, that means when he went to the town, he had heard the news. Well, I may as well as go pack up. Okay, so let me go and pack up so that I too will be getting ready to join the army. He put down his carving, stood up and walked very slowly to his room. Okay, so he is keeping down the work, his carving work. Okay, he stood up, he is standing up and he walked very slowly to his room. So why he is walking very slowly means because he is an aged person, right? See this picture, she is Mulan, the brave girl. Wait, said Mulan, father, you have not been well. If I may say so, why at your age must you keep up with all those young men? Okay, so what Mulan is telling is, she is telling to her father to wait. Father, you have not been well, that is, you are not feeling well, that is, you are not healthy, you became an aged person. If I may say so, why at your age must you keep up with all those young men? Okay, so at this old age, why should you go and join in the army? Because all the men in the army will be very young. So as an age-old person, what you are going to do in the army? So why you should go to the army? So this is the question of whom? This is the question of Mulan. What else can be done? Said her father. So her father is telling, what else can be done? Where in a panamudiyum? What else can we do? Your brother is a child, he cannot go. Okay, so what is the reply of his father is, your brother is a child. Okay, so your brother is a very young boy. Whose brother? Mulan's brother. Your brother is a child, he cannot go and join the army. Of course, that's true, said Mulan. He is too little, but I have an idea. She poured her father a cup of tea and handed it to him. Father, have some tea. Please sit for a minute. I'll be right back. Right. So, of course, that's true, said Mulan. So, whose words are this? So, these are the words of Mulan. Of course, that's true. Yes, my brother is a small boy. He's too little. But I have an idea. Who has an idea? Mulan is telling that she is having some different idea. She poured her father a cup of tea and handed it to him. So by saying so, she is giving her father a cup of tea and she is telling to her father, have some tea. Please sit for a minute. I'll be right back. So what she is telling to her father is, please have this cup of tea and wait for a minute. I'll be back within a short time. I'll be coming back. Very well, dear, said the father. So her father is telling, okay, very well. Mulan went into her room. With her sword, she cut off her long black hair. She put on her father's robe. Going back to her father, Mulan said, look at me, I'm your son now. I'll go in your place. I'll do my part for China. Okay, so what Mulan is doing is she is getting inside her room. Okay, she went into her room with her sword. You know what is meant by sword, right? So what she is doing is she cuts off her long black hair. Okay, so she is cutting her long black hair. She put on her father's robe. Okay, so what is the meaning of robe is, it is a long loose outer garment reaching the ankles. Okay, ஒரு long lengthy lengthy and loose outer garment. Garment means dress reaching the ankles. So whose robe she is wearing is, she is wearing her father's robe. Going back to her father, so after doing all this, after cutting her hair and after wearing her father's robe, she is going back to her father, and what she is telling is, look at me, I am your son now, I will go in your place. My dear father, just have a look at me, I am your son now, I will go in your place. So instead of you, I will go to the war, I will join the army, I will do my part for China. So I will contribute my part for China. No, my daughter, said the old man, you cannot do this. Okay, so what the old man is telling is, no, my dear daughter, said the old man. The old man, her father's, Mulan's father is telling no, because no father will be allowing their girl children to go and join the army. So she is telling, no, my daughter, said the old man, you cannot do this, you cannot join in the army as a girl, you cannot fight. She is telling to her daughter. Father, listen please, said Mulan. For years you trained me in Kung Fu. You showed me how to use a sword. Mulan swung the sword back and forth with might. Okay, so what she is telling to her father is, Father, please listen, said Mulan. For years means for many years, you trained me in Kung Fu. So Kung Fu is a martial art. Okay, it is a Chinese martial art. So it is a method of fighting without the use of any weapons. Okay, so they will not use, it is a method of fighting without the use of any weapons. That is just they will be fighting with their hand and their feet. Okay, so Mulan was practiced by her father in Kung Fu for many years. You showed me how to use a sword, and also you have taught me how to use a sword. எப்படி sword யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நீங்க எனக்கு கத்து கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. Mulan swung the sword back and forth with might. Might means with lots of courage, with lots of strength, with lots of courage, with lots of power. Okay, so Mulan swung the sword back and forth with might. So she is swinging means, it is swung is the past tense of swing. It means enna solradhu, they will be swinging the sword, right? That is swung. So here the past tense is given. So she is swinging her sword front and back with power, with strength, with courage. Okay, that is with might. Only so that you could stay safe, said her father. I never meant for you to go to war. If they find out you are a woman, you know as well as I do that you will die. Okay, so only so that you could stay safe, said her father. So that's why only I am telling that you should be very safe in the home. I never meant for you to go to war. So I never mean that you should go to war, because if they find out you are a woman, you know as well as I do that you will die. So if the people in the army, if the soldier or if the emperor or if the king or if the opponent, whomever it is, if they knows that she is a woman, what they will do? Definitely they will kill you. Okay, so you should not go to war. Who is telling? Mulan's father is telling to Mulan. No one will find out, father, said Mulan. She picked up her sword. So what Mulan is telling to her father is, no one will find out me that I am a woman. So by saying so, she is picking up her sword. She is taking her sword. Mulan said the father, Mulan said the father, he tried to get up but had to hold on to his chair. Okay, so Mulan's father is getting up from the chair so as to stop his daughter from going to the war. He tried to get up. Okay, who tried? Mulan's father tried to get up from the chair but had to hold on to his chair. But he has to hold the chair. The daughter kissed him goodbye. Okay, so the daughter is giving a kiss as a symbol of love, and she is bidding goodbye to her father. I love you, father, she said. Okay, so she is telling, I love you, dad. Take care of yourself. Tell my brother I said goodbye. Okay, so take care of yourself and also tell my young little brother goodbye. Convey my goodbye to my young little brother. She climbed on a family horse and off she went to join the emperor's army. So she climbed on a family horse. So she has climbed on her horse and she went to join the emperor's army as per the order of the emperor. In the army, Mulan proved to be a brave soldier. In time, she was put in charge of other soldiers. Her battles went so well that she was put in charge of more soldiers. Her battles kept on going well. After a few years, Mulan was given the top job. She would be general of the entire army. So what happened is, after bidding goodbye to her family, she is going to join the army. So in the army, she is going and joining in the army. In the army, Mulan proved to be a brave soldier. So no one in the army knows that she was a female. Okay, so as she was practiced in Kung Fu and also she knows how to handle a sword, she proved to be a very brave soldier, brave and mighty soldier in the army. In time, she was put in charge of other soldiers. So after some time, she was the in charge for the other soldiers. Her battles went so well that she was put in charge of more soldiers. Okay, so whatever the battle she was participating in, she was combating in, fighting in, everything went so well that very soon she was put in charge of many soldiers, that is more soldiers. Her battles kept on going well. Okay, so her battles kept on going well, that is whatever battles she had fought, everything was a success for China. After a few years, Mulan was given the top job. She would be general of the entire army. So after few years, Mulan was given the top job. So that is she was given a higher position. What is the position is? She was the general for the entire army. Okay, so as her battles were very success, she was put in as in charge for many soldiers. Okay, and after seeing her fight for many years, she was given a higher position, that is she was the general for the entire army. Not long after that, a very bad fever swept through the army. Many soldiers were sick and Mulan, the general of the army, became sick too. Okay, so what happened is, not long after that, so it means not long after that means, that is after she was given the higher position as the general of the army, அதிலிருந்து கொஞ்ச நாளுக்குள்ளே within a very short time, what happened is a very bad fever swept through the army. Okay, so a type of fever started spreading through the army. Many soldiers were sick. Okay, so many soldiers were affected by the fever and they have fallen sick. And Mullen, the general of the army, became sick too. And what happened is, Mullen, the general of the army, was also very sick. That is, she was also badly affected by the fever. When the doctor came out of Mullen's tent, he knew the truth. See, still this incident happened when, that is, till she was suffering from that fever, no one knows that she was a female. Everyone in the army thinks that she was a male person. Okay, but after she was affected by the fever, and after when the doctor is coming out to check Mullen, that is, after checking Mullen in her tent, the doctor knows the truth. Okay, he knew the truth that she was a female. The general is a woman. Yelled the soldiers, how can this be? Some called out, she tricked us and we will not fight for a woman. They said, punish her, make her pay. The cost is for her to die. But others called out in voices just as loud, with Mullen we win every battle. They said, stay away from our general. Okay, so what happened after knowing the truth is, there were variety of reactions from the soldiers. The general is a woman, yelled the soldiers. So, all the soldiers started to talk that the general is a woman. How can this be? So, how is it possible? As a woman, how can she fight this battle? So, how can she hide this secret? Okay, so there was variety of questions and discussions among the soldiers. Some called out, she tricked us. Okay, some soldiers talked that she tricked us, that is, she cheated us, and we will not fight for a woman. And they said that definitely we will not fight for a woman, because a woman is the general of the army. Definitely we will not fight under a woman. They said, punish her. Okay, they said to give punishment to Mullen, make her pay. So give her some penalty, fine, that is pay. Punish her, make her pay. The cost is for her to die. Okay, so what should be the punishment is, what is the cost for her mistake is death. Okay, so give her death punishment. But others called out in voices just as loud, with Mullen we win every battle. Okay, but some soldiers said that it is only because of Mullen we have won every battle. Without Mullen it will not be possible. They said, stay away from our general. So don't try to give any punishment or any penalty for our general. Stay away from our general. Okay, that is, after knowing the truth that she was a woman, there were variety of comments among the soldiers. Some soldiers said that she had cheated. Some said that there should be a heavy penalty or fine imposed on her. Some soldiers said that the fine should be her death punishment. That is, she should be put to death, sentenced to death. Okay. But some other soldiers said that it is only because of Mullen it is possible for us to win the battle. So stay away from our general. Don't try to punish our general. Okay, like this there were variety of opinions among the soldiers after knowing the fact that she's a woman. Okay, so let me stop with this today. Let me continue in the next class. So this story is about Mullen, who is living in a faraway village in China. So she was living with her father and her little brother. So it was an order from the Emperor of China that a male person from each family should come and join the army. So as her father is very old, she's cutting her long black hair and she's wearing her father's robe, and she is disguising herself as a man, and she is going and joining in the army. So after she is joining in the army, every battle was a win for the Chinese, and because of that she was put as an in charge for many soldiers, and finally she was given a higher position as the general of the army. Okay, but at last, unluckily, a bad fever is spreading among the Chinese army, and Mulan was also affected by that bad fever. Okay, so when doctor is coming to check Mulan in her tent, so he reveals the fact that she was a woman. So soldiers were of variety of opinions regarding her. Some soldiers said that she should be punished, and some soldiers said that it is only because of Mulan it was possible for China to win every battle. Okay, so let us stop with this. Let me continue in the next class. Hope you have understood. Call me for your doubts. Thank you. Thank you for watching.